In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the application is not responding error on Windows 11 or on your Windows 10. If this message pops up for you, all you have to do is to restart the computer. Just right-click on the menu and then just go ahead, click on Shutdown or Sign Out, and then click on Restart your computer. Or you have to attempt to relaunch the application again. So after doing all of that, hopefully at this point you should be good to go. And if you are noticing this problem is with a lot of variety of applications and programs, that means that your system is underpowered and you may want to remove different programs. And you may want to adjust some of the visual settings as well and boost your computer performance for a bit. And you can speed up Windows 11 or your Windows 10. So this was how to fix the application is not responding error on Windows 11 or on your Windows 10. As always, thank you for watching.